Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel and happy Sunday, everybody. You guys know what that means. We've got some new Dollar General digital coupons to clip to our accounts. Plus, we've got some new glitches to go over as well. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's right down below this video. And while you're at it, do your girl a huge favor. Hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are two quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel. And then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, so first up, I just want to go ahead and wish you all a happy Easter. If you guys are celebrating, let me know what you guys are up to today, because y'all, you will never guess what I'm doing. I am sitting at my second remodel ever. And I can't wait to tell you about the first one, but I think this one might be even crazier than the first one, because I am still the only one here. So crazy stuff going on. I have a lot to share with you all. I cannot wait to start putting these videos together. So y'all make sure that you stay tuned. And I also want to go ahead and give you all a little heads up that I will have the Dollar General clearance and penny list video coming up next. That one will be uploaded later on today, so make sure that y'all have those notifications turned on. Let's go ahead and jump right into our new Dollar General digital coupons. And again, I apologize, this does look a little bit different than our normal Sunday videos do, but I'm having to do this on my phone. That way it will be uploaded in a timely manner, unlike last week's where it didn't get out till about lunchtime. So I do apologize for that, but let's go ahead and jump right in. All right, so of course, go ahead and clip your file of 25 for Saturday. We have this $150 off one for the Meow Mix cat food. These are priced at $7.95, so after the coupon you're going to pay $6.45. We've got a $2.50 off for the Bounty paper towels. One off one for the Scott bath tissue. You can pick up the 12 count. They're priced at $5. After the coupon, you're going to pay $4. If you want to pick up the 6 count, those are priced at $3.60. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $2.60. Next up, we've got a 3 off 2 for the Garnier Fruit Teas, shampoos, conditioners, and styling products. These start out at $3.50 each. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $4 for 2. We have this new 4 off 2 digital coupon on the Gain fireworks. So these are priced at $7.50. After the coupon, you're going to pay $11 for 2. But keep in mind, we do still have that 5 off 30 Gain coupon. If you all didn't use it yesterday, which, man, yesterday we had some phenomenal 5 off $25 scenarios. That was just crazy. All right, next up, we've got a 1 off 1 for the Colgate. These start out at $4. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $3. We also have a 1 off 1 for the Scott paper towels. These are now priced at $6.50. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $5.50. I cannot believe they cost that much. They are right up there with the Viva paper towels now. Next up, we've got a new $150 off one for the Finish products. So this does work on the 12 count Quantum tablets. They're priced at $4.45. After the coupon, you're going to pay $2.95. And we should still have that Ibotta rebate as well. Next up, 3 off 1 for the Gain products. So these are priced at $15.95. After the coupon, you're going to pay $12.95. This coupon is also glitching and working on the Tide products that are priced at $12.95. So just keep that in mind if you'd rather have the Tide. Next up, we've got a 4 off 1 for the Chic Intuition razors. So these have went up in price. They are now $8.25. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $4.25. 1 off 1 for the Colgate products, the mouthwash and the toothbrushes. So if you want to pick up the mouthwash, those start out at $5. After the coupon, you're going to pay $4. This coupon is also glitching and working on the Colgate charcoal toothbrush. It's priced at $3.35. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $2.35. Or you can pick up the Colgate Max White toothbrush. Those are priced at $3. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $2. Alright, next up we got this 125 off one for the Arm & Hammer laundry products. These are priced at $4.25. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $3. We have a 1 off 1 for the Edge and Skintimate shave gels. These are priced at $4.25. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $3.25. We've got a 2 off 1 for the Downy products. These are priced at $10.95. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $8.95. We also have a 1 off 1 for the Cottonelle bath tissue. So these start out at $5.50. After the coupon, you're going to pay $4.50. Next coupon is an amazing coupon. Now, if we read it, it says buy one of the Dawn jugs 54.8 ounce or larger and get the Dawn Easy Squeeze for free. However, this coupon is glitching, and it is a really good glitch. If you want to pick up 2 of the Dawn Easy Squeeze, priced at $2.85 each. after the coupon, you're going to pay $2.71 for 2. So not a bad deal at all, and a really good glitch to start off the week. So definitely go ahead and clip that one. We've got a one-off one for the Viva paper towels. These are priced at $6.75. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $5.75. There's that 2-off one for the Splenda. We already went over that one last week. We've got a one-off one for the Resolve products, a 4-off one for the Allegra. So I went over these coupons as well. I think we have about 3 or 4 now. There's a 5-off one, and then there's a couple of other 4-off ones as well. So if you haven't used your 5-off one yet, I would leave this one alone. Use that 5-off one first, then come back and clip this one if you want to pick up some more Allegra. So these are priced at $10.50 for the children's liquid. After the coupon, you're going to pay $6.50, and we did have an Ibotta rebate. Hopefully that is still there for this week. Next up, 1-off 3 for the Kleenex, 2-off 1 for the Quilted Northern. Those are priced at $9.95. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $7.95. We have Olive Garden, 3-off 2 for the L'Oreal Paris hair care products. Astapro, 1-off 2 for the Lipton teas. Those are priced at $2.25. So picking up 2 after the coupon, you're going to pay $3.50 for 2. Not a bad deal. We have Flonase. We have Tide, 2-off 1. So these are priced at $9.95. After the coupon, you're going to pay $7.95. Then we also have a 3-off 1 for the Tide laundry products. Those are priced at $15.95. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $12.95. We also have that $1.25 off for the Welch's, 2-off 1 for the Neutrogena Sun Care product. Next up, we've got this 2-off 1 for the Dove hair care products. Now, this week at Dollar General, Dove products and Axe products are going to be hot ticket items because we have instant savings this week. And it's instantly save $2 when you purchase 2. And we do have Dove coupons as well as Axe coupons, manufacturer, and DG store. So there should be some really amazing deals out there. So with this coupon, the 2-off 1 for the Dove hair care products, these start out at $6. So pick up 1, use this 2-off 1 manufacturer coupon plus the 1-off 1 DG store coupon, and that's going to leave you paying $3. But like I said, if you pair that up with another Dove or Axe products, you're going to get that instant savings as well. All right, next up, we got a 4-off 1 for the Loves. So these are priced at $17.50. After the coupon, you're going to pay $13.50. We have Drift laundry detergent. Those are priced at $10.50. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $7.50. We have a 2-off 1 for the Swiffer Duster refills or the wet and dry refills, the ones that are priced at $12. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $10. We're going to skip over a couple of those. We have this 4-off 2 for the Degree and Dove dry sprays. So the Degree dry sprays are priced at $5.75. After the coupon, you're going to pay $7.50 for 2. The Dove dry sprays are priced at $7.95. After the coupon, you're going to pay $10.95 for 2. And I do not believe that instant savings was applying to all of the Dove deodorants. So be careful on that one. Moving on down, we've got this 2-off 1 for the Dove Men Plus Care hair care products. So this does work with the instant savings. These are priced at $5. So if you want to use this 2-off 1 manufacturer coupon and that 1-off 1 DG store coupon, that's going to leave you paying $3. But like I said, if you pair it up with another Dove product or an Axe product, you're going to instantly save $2 for purchasing 2. All right, moving on down here, we've got this 5-off 1 for the Swiffer extra large products. These are priced at $18.50. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $13.50. We have 2-off 1 for the Microban twin packs, 3-off 1 for the Thermacare. These are priced at $6. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $3. One for the Hanes socks. These start out at $7.75. After the coupon, you're going to pay $5.75. We also have a 1-off 1 for the True Living paper towels. These are priced at $7.50. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $6.50. Then we have $2 off when you spend $6 on any Believe Beauty items. And this does include the nail polishes. I believe those start out at $1.25. Moving on down, we have a 1-off 1 for the Believe Beauty nail and cosmetic products. So you can't use 2 DG store coupons on one item. But if you want to pick up the nail polishes, those do start out at $1.25. So after the coupon, you're going to pay just 25 cents. Now, you may find some in clearance that are less than $1. Some should be around 80 or 90 cents. If you find any of those, This DG store coupon will not give you overage, but it will bring that item down to just 1 penny. So check out your clearance sections. All right, moving on down, we've got a 3 off 2 for the Garnier Whole Blends. These are priced at $4.25, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $5.50 for 2. Then we have this DG store coupon for buy one of the large Swagbucks liquid fabric softeners and get the sheets for free. Now, unfortunately, this coupon is not glitching like our Dawn coupon is, so you still have to buy the larger Swagbucks fabric softener and get the sheets for free. So you're going to pay $8.50 for both items. Then we have the body armor, buy 3, get 1 free. So you're going to pay $4.35 for 4. And then down here at the bottom is that buy 1, get 1 free on the canning products. And we talked about that one in Friday's video. So that one does expire today on Sunday. So use it before you lose it. Alright guys, so that's going to be it for me for now. I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and please wish me luck on this remodel. And before you go, don't forget to do all the things. Subscribe, please hit the thumbs up button, and leave me a smile down in the comment section below. And then take a second to share the video, even if you just share it to yourself in a text message or an email. All those things really do help me out. Alright guys, happy Easter. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a wonderful day, and I will see you on the next one.